Alright guys, so what we're going to talk about is how to use free traffic using Quora. Now a lot of you guys are probably using, paid advertising like Facebook ads, Instagram influencers, or Snapchat ads, Twitter ads, anything in that realm, right? But you have to master free traffic so that you can move on to paid advertising. So what I'm going to show you guys is how you can leverage free traffic with just simple little steps that I'm going to apply to you guys today. Of course, Valentine's Day is coming up, so what you guys can actually do is go on Quora.com. okay, I'm going to leave the link in the description, but what you can do on Quora is basically search up topics or questions that people have, so you can go on there and answer those questions depending on what kind of niche that you look for. So it's very, very simple. So like for an example, Valentine's Day is in a couple of days. A lot of people are making crazy amount of money selling Valentine's Day products. So what you can do is go on Quora and type in Valentine's Day and this specific topic. Okay, it's like groups, but this specific topic has 73,000 follows. Now the crazy thing is that all these people are most likely engaged in this topic. So if you post a question or if you post an answer, most of them are gonna see your stuff. So what you can do is basically post your Valentine's Day products. You can post your Valentine's Day blogs. You can post anything that you want, but just make sure that you of course follow the rules and the guidelines, which I'm going to explain throughout this video. Then you can go into more questions. What can be the best Valentine's Day gift? And plug your Shopify store, guys. Best Valentine's Day movies on Netflix. You can say that you're playing with this, or you're watching this movie and then boom, your girlfriend just popped up with this gift. Plug your Shopify store. Oh look, here's another question. How was your Valentine's Day in 2018? You can answer that question and say, I had the best Valentine's Day gift ever. This person gave me this. Link it to your Shopify store. Simple, smooth criminal. You can say, what is the best gift option for a man for Valentine's Day? This is for a lot of you ladies out there. Plug your Shopify store. So there's a lot of crazy things. Look at this. What is a great Valentine's Day gift for my wife under $100? And if you guys can recall, I did make a video about Valentine's Day, a trending product that's happening right now. It's called the Rose Bear. So you can plug that, that's under $100. So you can plug that in this question right here, right? So there's a lot of cool things that you can, do with Quora. And this is just one niche, guys. So what you can do now is go to related topics, right in this corner right here. Let me zoom in for you guys. So you guys can go into national holidays and common celebrations, Valentine's Day gifts, romantic gifts, romantic gift giving. So there's a lot of cool things that you can do with Quora, and this is just one niche. So let's say you're in the animal niche, or you're in the braiding niche, or hair niche, or cosmetics niche. You can go in there and see what kind of topics people are talking about, and then if you're done answering all those questions, I think you do have a limit. Maybe I would just stick to like answer 10 questions a day or so, but you can go into those specific niches and then go to related niches and expand out from there. So if you want to be more specific, you can do that as well. So what I want to do is actually go on my back end for this page. I do have multiple other pages, but this is more for my Shopify, blogging and things like that. But I just want to show you the potential about what this can do for you. Okay, guys. So all my answers, of course, I haven't, been active in here, and I have not answered, lots of questions recently, and I have almost 800 views, guys, doing nothing. Okay, so that is 800 free views going into my answers, and I've linked my personal website, I've linked my YouTube, I've linked a couple of different things from here and there, and I've had 800 free views with all this. Okay, guys, so you can see that with this question has 500 views, 100 views, 78 views, 40 views, 28 views, and this is from the last 30 days. And if I can do the last 7 days with all my answers, this is 161 free traffic views, which I'm not promoting anything or doing nothing, guys. So imagine you plugging your Shopify store and you constantly get views every single day. What this is actually going to help you guys is get more backlinks to your store, because the way Google works, guys, if you want to rank your store or if you want to rank your page or your website on Google, you got to have backlinks, you got to have authority, and Quora is definitely one of the strongest backlink out there. So if you can, you know, try to answer these questions and import your Shopify store, you're gonna get free traffic, guys. So let's do another example. How about cars, right? So basically what you can do is go in here and type in cars, and you'll see the topic cars and automobiles. So then you will see that this this group has 1.6 million people in this group, guys. So imagine, you know, you have somebody has a question about steering wheel covers. Okay, let's say somebody says that, you know, what's the best way to keep warm in a car, right? Well, you know, I have a steering wheel cover on my Shopify store. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a little blog. I'm going to answer the question and then plug my Shopify store at the end of that answer. So guys, it's real simple. You can find a question for anything, but the thing that you got to find a question, a lot of niches, a lot of people say fashion doesn't have questions. You know, all these other things don't have questions. Yes, they do. All you have to do is find a problem and then do a solution. So with cars, a lot of people have problems with cars. A lot of people have, you know, questions about different things about cars. So your job in here is to provide that solution. And of course, you can go to related topics, automobile industry, car buyings, driving, engine, vehicles, car engine, electric cars, Tesla, cars, tires. There's a lot of different things you could do. Let's go for another example. Let's say skin. Skin is a really good one. I've seen a lot of Shopify products, you know, with the razor and the, you know, the 5-in-1 waterproof razor. There's a lot of cool Shopify products that you can do with in this niche, right? Skincare. So this has about 600,000 people. A lot of people have questions. Let's say your selfie and a skin quiz from Clear Skin. I think that's an ad. Okay, so look at this one right here. How can I get rid of pimples and scars? Well, let's actually go on AliExpress real quick. Sorry, I was looking up Fortnite, but let's go to AliExpress and let's type in skin. Okay, a lot of people are looking for what are things they can get rid of scars and things like that, right? So let's go to orders. And look at this. You have a product that has over 13,000 orders that's telling you this is a facial cream. This is an anti-wrinkling and anti-aging cream. I think people were looking for that. Here's another one. Or here's this one right here. Silicone facial cleansing brush face tool exfoliating. So you know that this definitely, you know, helps with blackheads and, you know, brush and remove skin and things like that. So, and I've seen this product a couple times on Facebook ads as well. Quora is so powerful, guys. You can talk about anything. Okay, skincare. Let's go into another one. Let's go to dogs. A lot of people are in the dog niche, right? So you have dog pets, dog behaviors, dog breeds, Snoop Dogg, dog training. But let's say dog training, right? So this has about 150,000 people that's actually following this. So let's go to dog training, and of course I did see dog training collar, so I've seen that's been hot recently. This looks like it's a hot product. 3,000 views, 900 views. Remember guys, if you see multiple products, you know, that's a hot product. That's, you know, people are ordering from multiple suppliers, so you combine all of that, it's a hot training product. So you can go in here and answer any of these questions that, you know, regarding the dog training, and, you know, plug this specific product in. You know, like this is about $16 to $39 depending on where you ship it from, so 21 bucks. So, you know, mark it up, let's say, you know, 3 times, I don't know, 60 bucks. I don't know, you got to look at the competition and all that. And on my previous video, I did talk a lot about competition, but I do go in detail in my course, guys. So if you want to grab it in the link down below, that's a quick plug right there. Baby center, baby name advice, baby boy. Let's say babies. So topics on babies. 400,000 people are literally in this group. So if you have a baby product, you know, answer all these questions, go on the related topics, parenting babies, newborn babies, childbirth, parenting, baby names. This is all my niche, guys. Child development, infant development, breastfeeding, pregnancy, baby names, diapers. Of course, do your research. You don't want to just answer any kind of question and just, you know, blabber anything, but you got to do your research and you'll be good to go, guys. So, you know, I hope you guys see the potential in this and how you can get free traffic. I showed you the stats on the potential, especially when I haven't been active in this. So you can do a lot, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. It does help a ton. And also check out the links down below. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Stay grinding, stay humble. humble, stay hungry, most importantly, so that you can, elevate and, prove the haters wrong. But at the end of the day, guys, your boy's still here. Peace out.